Hi guys, I'm John. I'm a math teacher. Now I'm going to show you how to factorize trinomials. We call this method as cross-multiply method. Here we go. We have 3 steps for this. Step 1. Factorize coefficients. Step 2. Cross-multiply. Step 3. Check sign distribution. Step 1. Factorize coefficients. We have 2 examples for this video. For convenience, we start from example 2. In step 1, we need to factorize the leading coefficient and the constant. First, we need to factorize 6. That is, we need to find 2 numbers. Their product is 6. So we find the first pair, 6 and 1. The second pair, 2 and 3. And we factorize 14. We find 4 pairs, 14, 1, 7, 2, 2, 7, 1, 14. And we need to notice that the difference between leading pairs and the real pairs. First, we list leading pairs in column, but we list real pairs in row. Second, we need to reverse real pairs. For example, we write 7, 2, and we write 2, 7 as in another pair. But in the leading pairs, we don't need to write 6. We don't need to write 1, 6 because we have 6, 1. And we have 2 leading pairs, so in this case we have 2 layers of those pairs. So we need to copy all the real pairs in the first layer, copy them into the second layer. Finally, in example 2, we get a group of vectors. Let's back to example 1. 3x squared minus 2x minus a. According to the same rule, we factorize the leading coefficient 3. We get the only pair 1, 3. And we want to factorize constant 8. 8, 1, 4, 2, 2, 4, 1, a. We need list the real pairs in row. Here we get 4 groups. Fine. It's ready for step 2. Step 2. Cross multiply. Example 1. We need to find t and identify constant sign. What is t? T is talking number. We have middle coefficient -2, but we ignore the sign. So the talking number t is 2 here. And the constant is -8. Negative means difference. Remember it. T is 2. Difference. And we cross multiply to get 2 products. It means 1 times 1 we get 1. 3 times 8 we get 24. And we calculate difference of length. Remember, because constant is negative, so we find the difference. The difference is 23. It is not talking number, so we rule this group out. And the second group, 1 times 2, 3 times 4, we get 12 and 2. And we calculate difference of length, we get 10. So it is not talking number still, so we rule this group out. And the third group, 1 times 4, we get 4. 3 times 2, we get 6. and their difference is 2. Okay, this is a target number, so we adopt this group. Example 1 is ready for step 3. Example 2, again we need to find t and find constant item. In this case, middle coefficient is negative 25, and we ignore the sign, so we get the target number t is 25. And we have constant positive 14. So positive means summation. Okay, remember it. T is 25 and summation. And we cross multiply to get two products. 6 times 1 times 14, we get 14 and 6. And we calculate the sum of them. Because constant is positive, so we find sign. Constant is positive, so we find summation of them. And their summation is 20. 20 is not target number 25, so we rule this group out. For time saving, we rule those group out, and we come to the second layers group. Okay, here we go. 2 times 1, we get 2. 3 times 14, we get 42. And their sum is 44. 44 is not 25. So we rule this group out. And the second group in the second layer. 2 times 2, we get 4. 3 times 7, we get 21. Their summation is 25. 25 is a target number here, so we adopt this group. Now, example 2 is ready for step 3. Now, step 2 end. We go to step 3. Step 3. Check sign distribution. In step 3, example 1, we rewrite adopt group twice and add signs to each pair to make the two pairs products equals to constant item, negative 8. Okay, we rewrite 1, 3, 2, 4 twice, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, and we add signs on real pairs. We add positive 2, negative 4, so their product is negative 8, and negative 2, positive 4. Okay, and we cross multiply them and add products up to get sum. The first group, 1 times negative 4, we get negative 4. 3 times positive 2, we get positive 6. The sum is equal to 2. In the second group, the sum is equal to negative 2. But in here, middle coefficient is negative 2. So we adopt this group. And then we need to add x. We need to add x on leading coefficients. 1 add x as 1x, 3x. And we draw 2 on the line. We get 2 factors, x minus 2, 3x plus 4. And all we need to do is write 2 sets of parentheses multiplied together, 2 parentheses multiplied together. And we fill the first vector in, x minus 2, x minus 2. And the second vector, 3 plus 4, 3x plus 4 as the second vector. Okay, we get it. Example 1 is over. Okay, example 2, we rewrite the adoptive group twice, 2, 3, 7, 2, okay, twice, and add signs to make their products equal to the constant item plus 14. So we add positive 7, positive 2, their product is positive 14, and negative 7, negative 2. Again, we cross multiply and add the products up to get sum. 2 times positive 2, we get positive 4. 3 times positive 7, we get positive 21. Their sum is 25, but middle coefficient here is negative 25. So we rule this group out, and the second group, 2 times negative 2, we get a negative 4. 3 times negative 7, we get negative 21. The sum is negative 25. Okay, it is the middle coefficient, so we adopt this group up. We adopt this group. Okay, then all we need to do is to add x on leading coefficient, 2x and 3x, and we have 2 underlined, so we get the first vector, 2x minus 7, 3x minus 2, and all we need to do is to write two sets of parentheses, multiply together, and fill the first vector in, 2x minus 7 here, first vector, and the 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 as the second vector here. Okay, example 2 is over. Here, we did it. This is the answer. Here is lesson for today. Thank you for your listening. Hope this video helps you. Bye bye.